Sometimes the way up is actually getting low. James 4:10 says this. So let God work his will in you. Yell a loud no to the devil and watch him scamper. Say a quiet yes to God, and he will be there in no time. Quit dabbling in sin. Purify your inner life. Quit playing the field. Hit bottom and cry your eyes out. The fun and games are over. Get serious, really serious. Get down on your knees before the Master. It's the only way you'll get on your feet. Sometimes humility is the doorway, not the delay. God bless you. I hope you have a wonderful day. Challenge 365, day 26.